Before anything else, preparation is the key to success. This I got to apply at Evision. Hi, my name is Anisha Gawande and I'm native to Chandrapur, Maharashtra. I have completed my bachelor's degree in science from Janta Mahavidyalaya in the session 2022 with an overall aggregate of 8.00 CGPA. And while searching for a job, a very good friend of mine suggested, or I would rather say introduced me to Evision. My experience with Evision was so positive and so good, as the mentors were so supportive throughout the sessions. They also solved all the queries that we had during the session, and the mentors were so supportive throughout the training period that I don't feel like we'll get to experience at anywhere else. Evision is a very trusted and very good platform for those who are seeking a career in IT sector. As for me, I got selected in HCL Technologies Nagpur with the salary offered 3 LPA. I just wanted to thank Evision for their amazing learning experience and also their guidance throughout the training session.